Oh, they smell so good. Hello, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Goodest box. So it's by Level Naturals, and they currently have two different box subscriptions you can do. I did this box about a year and a half ago, and we really liked it. And then we kind of had to cut back on the boxes that we were doing. And so this is one of the ones that we had cut out, but I really like this box. And I told my husband, I said, you know, if I ever start getting a bunch of box subscriptions again, that's one I definitely want to do. But they did change their format. It used to be just a regular box subscription where you would get a box and then they would just send you surprise stuff. Now it's a little different. You can go on, they have two levels. They have the Good Box, which is $22.50 plus shipping. And then the Goodest box is we paid $33.76, and that was after shipping. I don't remember what the Good box come with. It was a lot less than the stuff that I got, so I wanted the larger box. So with that being said, let me get to unboxing this for you. I do want to mention my full face and getup today. This is something that you will rarely see. While I love to collect makeup and box subscriptions, like, I'm seriously a makeup collector. I probably have, well, the last count that I did, I had like 84 palettes. But I do not wear a full face that often, but it is date night. If I get on here to record before date nights, then you will see kind of a full face kind of thing going on here. Okay, back into the box. So it does come in an outer box, just like this. And then inside that box, we have the Goodest box. I did go ahead and dig into it last night. But this is different. So it used to be like a regular box subscription. I would say about the size of BoxyCharm, maybe just a touch bigger than that. Right now it's just a square box, and then you go onto the website and you can actually pick what you want to get in this box. And then they list on the outside here, and they put like a check mark of the things that you picked. I don't know if you can actually, maybe you could see a little bit, but when my husband brought this box in, before we knew it was this box, and because it was just in this box, he was like, wow, that's really strong, that's permeating throughout, and it smells so good. I really like this box. Okay, so as I'm opening up this box, the first thing I see is their business card, Level Naturals. And then on the back it says, follow us, blah, 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 blah. The bath bombs. Now I will say these are small. This is not what I was used to. The previous box subscription had normal sized bath bombs, like, you know, like that big. And these are kind of small, but they do smell really good. I really love the smell of these. This one is, where is it? This one is grapefruit and bergamot. And then the next one is lavender and chamomile. And then I got eucalyptus and lime. Oh, this smells so good. And it smells so natural too. If I'm thinking back to the bath bevy that I got, I don't know, I guess I want to say kind of more artificially scented. These smell like they have real essential oils in them. And I just love that. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so you get 3 bath bombs in this subscription. You get shower bombs. Now in here, you open this up, and these I picked organic, menthol, and eucalyptus, because, you know, these are really good to put in the shower, you know, if you're sick or something. and they just look like this. There are 4 total in the box. Oh, they smell so good. I don't know, I really like this box subscription. Even though it's different, I am really glad that we got it again, because I love the smell of these. They're so, I don't know, they just smell so good. Okay, and then you get a bar of soap. You get an organic bar of soap, and I got peppermint and pumice. And that just smells like straight up peppermint. Oh, I love it. It makes me feel so good. It makes me relaxed. It makes me feel really relaxed. And then you get to pick a candle. And I chose the grapefruit and bergamot. And it's just, you know, a normal candle. It's toxin free. It's toxin free. It's organic. It's 100% gluten free. Has the little bunny on there for being cruelty, and all these products do. All these products are cruelty free, gluten free, made in the USA. It smells so good. I'm so glad I got this box again.